guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox what I bought in Dubai Outlet Mall. Also, I bought something in Chanel store over the week, so I decided to include it in the video. Now today we came to our outlet mall. Is very far. It's really far, but we just went one time here before, and they have like, it's like normal mall, but they have discount everywhere. Yeah, everything is discounted.
You've arrived at your destination.
The mall that is always on sale.
Yeah.
Always.
So we came just with my mom. We came to see what is going to happen here. We're already here, we're just walking. Shop and win 1 million. I want to show you how it will sterilize everything. Let me go also. Oh my god! So we're already inside. Everything sterilized. We're going to the French bakery to take some coffee first. Then we start going shops. I already see some shops here. Okay, we have some of backpacks, wallets, different kind of things. I think it's, how much is it? This is 135. Cute. Oh, I like it. What do you think? It's really nice. How much is it? $249. Yeah, it's so cute. Let me see what I like. Have some clothes here. This pink bag a little bit extra. This one is so cute. I love it. My mom also found this one with white and pink. They have size? Yeah. Okay, let me see. Cute this. You like it? With the bag.
You like it?
I don't know. I will try it now. What do you think?
I don't know.
No. Tell me what you think.
Beautiful.
I really love it also.
With the Balenciaga bag?
Yes.
Okay, try.
Exactly.
Try it on. Very nice. Really. Looks like my Louis Vuitton. Yeah?
Yeah, it's looking kind of your Louis Vuitton, but it's crazy. But actually, I love pink. Like, guys, I love pink. And I love white also, and I have black. If you see how it's matching, it's crazy. It's very crazy. I will show you.
Let's take it then.
$295. $295 only.
So you got your sneakers, yeah?
Yes. I really like this swimming shorts in HUGO BOSS, and the price is, guys, $149. Some trousers. Bye. Like this.
Nice?
Yeah, it's very nice. Can you stand a little bit far?
Looks very bad when you hold it, but when you wear it, it's very good.
Yeah.
200 large.
It's cute.
200 large. Yeah. It's strange, you know. Nice, yeah.
And shorts?
Short is for swimming. It's
It's
fun.
perfect.
Yeah.
I love it. T-shirt 171. It was 430.
Thank you, man.
Это как она называется? What is this brand?
ZANOTTI.
Nice. Сколько?
White, yeah, black.
This one is black.
Black. Let me try the
This
white.
is M.
M.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. White one.
This one,
Mom, какая лучше? My mom said black is nice. But you like
don't
white?
have black large? Okay, let me try that
Yeah.
one. Nice, yeah?
Yeah, it's beautiful. I love it.
Going once, going twice. So. I'll take this one.
Ну, вот скажи, какие это 2 икса? 2 икса на Тимура.
Uh-huh.
This is beautiful, but she doesn't want it. Can you imagine? I love them so much.
Like here is a little bit tight.
I came back for winter sneakers. She's going to hate me for this, but I like it. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
It's fine, Mama.
about 9. And we're going home because it's closing soon. That's the only one reason we can go out from the mall. Let me start from sneakers. What I bought from Burberry. Yeah, let me show you.
It's upside down. Again.
Yes, Burberry sneakers.
Okay.
Excited? I was so excited to buy it actually because of the price. The sales is crazy.
But you didn't want to buy it. Why are you lying?
I didn't want to buy it. I didn't want to buy it actually because it's not showing bad. That's why. Ta-da!
I love them so much.
Yeah, white and black sneakers that showing like flag.
Yeah, it's like a flag of England. I
Flag
think.
of
Yeah.
England.
Beautiful.
Yes, it's very beautiful. Check it.
It's amazing. Amazing. Really.
Is it not? I actually love it. Yeah, but I was thinking that if this one is going to tie my leg, it's used to tie the leg, but it's comfortable. It's nice. Yeah. Let me continue. Also, we bought this polo because my husband is wearing polo shorts like every day. Polo.
Because it's very hot in Dubai.
Because it's very hot in the buy t-shirts.
No, there's no color. It feels like I'm naked.
So it's white and black and showing Burberry here.
Yeah, I'm still skeptical about this color.
Why?
Because it's Burberry. Like if I'm in Sharjah and I'm coming to Dubai Mall, someone in Dubai Mall will tell me he's wearing Burberry.
I don't know. I love it.
Yeah, I know you love it.
It looks so good. I was like, yeah, we're buying it. And it was half price. Guys, it's half price. You have to go there.
It's 30%. It's not half price.
30%?
Yeah.
30%. But the prices is so nice.
Yeah.
It's really so nice.
Incredible prices.
Yeah, we was with my mom and we bought something for my father also. Let me show you.
No, don't take it off. Just pull out the jacket. So if she wants to wrap it, she's gonna give it to him.
It's like jackets for like autumn, something like that.
It's like Storm's jacket.
Yeah. Just showing the Burberry here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just casual jacket. It's very nice and it was good price.
Very nice jacket.
Yeah, it's very nice jacket. That's it. It's just like for Ukraine or for Europe. So yeah, we finally going to unbox my slippers so I can wear it. I can't wait to wear it. I can't wait. Seriously, I love it. I love it. From like last 2 months, we went to the store and we see the slippers, and it was just like, oh.
But why don't you want to give me credit? I told you to buy this one. You wanted to buy a different one.
Yeah, you told me. Okay.
You could put the Burberry away, yeah. Let's see the Chanel.
I think if you shoot like this from up, it will be better.
No, it's fine.
Huh?
It's fine.
They tie it like.
So odd. I think it's the new guy, because you know I told them this. There was a guy that was rude. The second time last time we went to the Dubai Mall Chanel.
You know, usually if we go to the shop and somebody from sales associates,
Yeah.
yeah, is like doing like rudeness and stuff like that. We used to don't buy nothing.
Yeah,
I
of
was like,
course.
no, I'm not buying from this person anything.
Of course,
Like, it
because
doesn't matter. I don't even want to buy. I don't even want.
because they are different. It's Dubai. There are different shops of
Yeah,
the
because
same
you
brand.
go to the shop to have experience of luxury, like what you buying is actually bringing like good energy to you and good mood and everything, and you want to enjoy it. Me actually, I want to enjoy to the shop. I don't want to go to the shop and somebody is just telling me like this. Just say we are not going to buy nuts or something.
Yeah, I don't mind them. So this guy thought, oh, now we have a problem. The Chanel sticker.
Ah?
The Chanel sticker, as usual.
Bring knife.
Found the scissors.
Wow! Today we are going to be fancy.
I should put like a ribbon at the back of the scissors.
Scissors is not even fancy.
It's not fancy?
No.
It
It's
is? Yeah.
Yes. That's the slippers, guys. I really think this slippers is looking so classy. So classy, and you can go with everything. It's like you can go with black and white and anything actually.
Blue,
and
pink.
also is
Rainbow.
and also it's very comfortable. It's very comfortable. Only one thing that the guy told us in the store, that you shouldn't wear it like outside, just wear it like in the car to go to mall and stuff like this, so this part will not get dirty. That's it. I excited about this slipper so much.
Video is gonna go off now.
Okay,
Alpha Echo. Cut it off.
so see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel, comment below, right?
No, above. Yeah, below.